Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, well, once again, I want to thank everybody because without you guys subscribing would not be possible. As you see here, I've got my first YouTube award for 100,000 subscribers on the channel. And it comes with a very nice letter that I will actually read, as you guys might see this picture. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, or your 1000th subscriber? Chances are you do, and we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, fans stayed and their numbers increased because of your unique voice and the excitement of being part of the growing community that you established. We are thrilled to see the development of your community and are proud to honor your impressive milestone for reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know that your fans can't wait for you to engage and amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your millionth subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000 subscriber? Yours sincerely, Susan, which is the head CEO. I don't know how to pronounce her last name, but the CEO of YouTube. So it's a very beautiful award, and it has all to do with, of course, you guys. Thanks once again for being fans of my channel and following me in what I actually do here. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.